into audio? What is it about audio that's so cool to you?
I think it's cool that it like makes sounds that your voice like you can't make.
Yeah, a normal person can't make those sounds, but it can replicate.
Yeah.
What's the coolest thing you've seen here today?
Well, that Tahoe that just left out of here was pretty damn impressive. Pretty damn impressive.
What is it about your car that's so special?
I just don't care about it, and I let it rip in half. People love that.
Let it rip in half? What do you mean? Describe what's going on.
The door is just ripping completely in half.
We're here with Dan from PRV.
Normally, people are looking for subs, but in the last 2 or 3 years, with this Brazilian wave of sound, people decided to improve their mids and highs, and they chose PRV Audio. The products are good; it matches what they're looking for.
Okay, so what category are you entering?
I went Dayton Audio all the way.
Okay. Is there what draws you to Dayton Audio specifically?
You know, I wanted something that was a good value point, that high quality.
you think about the speaker design competition in general?
It's great to have people listen to your stuff and know that it sounds good and get some affirmation that way, so that's cool.